Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a red wagon with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 2x3 plate. We're going to take a 2x2 modified plate with double bearing, place it on the right hand side. Take a 1x2 modified plate with stick. I'm going to take another 2x2 plate with double bearing, place it on top of the 1x2 plate with stick. I'm going to place this in this 1x2 opening. Then a set of 1x2x1 wall elements for sides and 4 1x1x1 corner wall elements to finish up the remainder of the sides for the wagon. Place that last one right there. We're going to slide this off to the side. Take one of these narrow tires and a small rim. Place the rim inside the tire. If you know if it's the right tire, these actually are narrower than the rims. Now I want to make 4 of these and place these on the bearing plates. Now these tires are a bit of a chore to line up on the rims. You just have to play with them until they line up. Trying to find the smallest tire that I could, and that was it. Should roll pretty smooth. Then we're going to take one of these holders that takes a 3.2 stick. Let's take one of these 3.2 sticks that's in a T intersection. Place that in. This is going to be the handle. I'm going to slip this right here to complete the red wagon.